In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date slider in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and concise manner, giving your visualizations an extra dynamic touch. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau application. Once you've got Tableau open, let's head straight to your worksheet. If you haven't done so already, load up the correct dataset you want to work with. It's essential to access the correct worksheet where you have your data ready. Next, we'll start by dragging your sales data into the rows shelf. This action will lay the foundation for your chart, allowing you to visualize your data as we move forward. It's the axis on which you'll base your sales performance, providing a clear visual reference as you progress. Now, direct your attention to the order date and drag it to the column shelf. By placing it here, you create a timeline for your data, which will assist later in applying the date slider effectively. After placing the order date in the columns, you have the option to select the level of time granularity you prefer. Right-click on it, and from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Month, giving you a monthly breakdown of your data. This step is crucial for ensuring that your date slider represents the timeline as you intend. Now, to enhance the visibility and interpretability of your data, let's change your chart to a bar chart. Bar charts offer a straightforward way to compare values across a timeline, making your data easier to understand at a glance. To integrate the date slider, we need to return to our filters. Start by dragging the order date onto the filter shelf. This step is pivotal as it sets up the foundation for our date slider. Then double-click on Range of Dates. Here you'll select this option and confirm it by clicking OK. This setting is what allows the date slider to function, giving you control over the range of data displayed. As we prepare to finalize, locate the drop-down on the order date in your filter pane. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available options. Finally, you'll want to select Show Filter. By activating this option, the date slider will appear on your dashboard, empowering you to adjust the view of your data seamlessly by selecting different date ranges. And there you have it, a fully functional date slider within Tableau. This tool is especially useful for interactive reports and dynamic data presentations, allowing users to adjust and explore data in a time-sensitive context. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Tableau skills. Thank you for tuning in, and happy visualizing with Tableau.